U.S. women's reproductive rights are often center stage at Vice President and Democratic presidential candidate Kamala Harris's campaign events.
We who believe in reproductive freedom will stop Donald Trump's extreme abortion bans because we trust women to make decisions about their own body and not have their government tell them what to do.
Former President Donald Trump praised the Supreme Court's 2022 overturning of federal protections on abortion access. He stresses he favors each U.S. state deciding on whether to grant or block it.
The Democrats really, and not all of them, because most of them agree with us, they're the radical ones, whereas our position is that abortion is now back to the states.
Trump and the Republican Party have recently toned down their abortion rhetoric, which at times included calls for national abortion bans. That's no accident, says Rutgers University polling expert Ashley Koenig.
We saw in the midterms and in special elections, when abortion is either directly or indirectly on the ballot, how consequential that has been to elections, and that the voters are coming out on the side in support of reproductive health issues and abortion issues.
Democrats are betting on a pro-choice platform and expressing support for abortion providers. For instance, on July 23rd, Vice President Harris's husband, Doug Emhoff, visited a reproductive health center in McLean, Virginia. The move was praised by the center's medical director, Dr. Jessica Rubino.
I do believe that this is one of the most important topics for the election. It is really important that the vice president, that the second gentleman focus on this, continue to engage with us and work on coming up with a plan.
Among anti-abortion groups, there are those who doubt that reproductive rights will drive a record number of voters to the polls in November. The Trump ticket probably won't sharply increase their focus on abortion, even as the Harris campaign does, in the opinion of National Right to Life Committee President Carol Tobias.
I think they're going to be talking about what they think is important, and I don't know how much they will be responding to her. I think they definitely have to talk about the unborn child being a member of the human family that deserves protection.
Analysts expect the Trump campaign will continue to prioritize the economy when courting voters, as historically that has been Americans' top concern in presidential elections. Veronica Balderas Iglesias, VOA News, McLean, Virginia.